Everybody, tonight I'm going to show you guys an easy way to always keep your computer up to date with the latest software and drivers. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have Microsoft Net Framework 2.0 installed. You can get this at the Microsoft website. It's not too big to download, it's 22 megs I think it is. Set the page open, I can actually show you the size. It's quite slow tonight. There we go. Well, I've already downloaded it previously, but this is the page you'll go to download it. You can just Google it, and it is only 22 megs, and then you install that. Once you've installed it, we're going to install a program called Radar Sync. This is free to download online. You can Google it, download the first link you get. It's only a few megabytes, I think. 1.8 megs, very small as well. Okay, so now we're going to install it. We're going to keep it in its default path, but we're not going to allow these to be installed. We don't want any cuts on our toolbar. Okay, we're gonna keep the run radar sync enabled there. I'm gonna launch the application quick. Okay, we're gonna just click continue here, and here you have it. What we need to do is, this is a free version, so it only does the basics. What we need to do is we need to scan our computer. This is relatively fast. Basically, it's scanning your computer for any programs or hardware that might require an update, be it your DVD writer, your graphics card, or Nero. But ideally, the whole purpose of this is just to keep your graphics updated, and if you do have a DVD writer of anything or a BIOS that's out of date and you need the firmware, we're going to download it through this application. Okay, here we go. So this is all the components and software that we have on this computer that can be updated, and as you see, there's a new version available for all of them. Do not download all of them, basically because Nero, for example, is about 500 megs I think it is to download, so you don't want to be downloading that. So what you'll do is you'll go to details. This is for the chipset. It will give you these, or tell you about the product. It'll give you some information about it, the version you have, the version that's still available, history of the previous versions, and where to download it from. So we want to download the newest version. I'm not going to download the newest version for this driver. It might take a while. I will show you how to download it though. I'll choose WinRAR this time. Here's the information. We are running WinRAR 3.71, and well, there's quite a lot of them. The latest one is 3.8. We're going to download the Vista version, the XP version, sorry, we're running Windows XP. And basically, we're going to close this tab, and we're going to let it download. So there you have it. This application is free to download. You can enable it to start up and update automatically every time it boots up. You don't want to do this though, because like I said, you don't want it to download all the latest Nero. That could actually kill your cap. So let's just wait for it to download completely. I'm actually going to just pause this recording. I'm going to carry on when it's done. Okay, we're near the end of the installation, or the update at least. Here we go. Click here to install it. You can create restore points. This is advisable for the hardware, but for software it's unnecessary. Basically, the restore point is if there's any fault in the driver, you can always roll back to a previous working version. And there we go. We've just installed WinRAR 3.8. Going to close this window, and there you have it. Yeah, it tells you where that WinRAR is now ready for installed. we have installed it, I'm going to end this scan. I'm going to start another scan just to make sure it has picked that up. And there we go. WinRAR has now been removed from the list because it has been fully updated. So all you need to do is play around, see what you have that's worth updating, update as you go. On the left hand side you'll see a whole lot of different tab options. Automatic setup, this is for a registered version. Your downloads is what you have downloaded. It actually looks like it keeps a cache in Windows. Just going to remove that. Yeah. And options tab, you can play around with that, see what happens. Anyway, it's the end of this tutorial. Have fun and I'll see you guys soon.